It's been only a few days since OpenAI shocked the world with their latest AI video generating model, Sora 2. After its launch, people went absolutely crazy over it, and the internet became fun again for a while. If you stay active online, I'm 100% sure you've come across some videos made with Sora 2, from hilarious Stephen Hawking clips to Michael Jackson recreations. People went all in with their creativity. But memes aren't the only thing you can make with Sora 2. You can create awesome cinematic videos, and more importantly, viral product reviews or ads that look surprisingly real. Yes, if you're done with all the fun and memes, it's time to use Sora 2 to create something that can actually help you grow and earn more money. And in today's video, I'll show you how to use Sora 2 to create ads like this.
Liquid death, sparkling water, untamed, from the Alps. Cold, crisp, relentless, pure.
Or this.
Okay, I'm trying out this red lipstick and it already looks so pretty in the tube. It just glides on, super smooth, super glossy. Look.
And here's the best part. There won't be any watermarks on the videos, and you don't need to be a prompt expert or write those extremely long and detailed prompts to get the best results. The tool I'm about to show you will do everything for you. Isn't that awesome? So without wasting any more time, let's get started. All right, the tool we'll be using is called TopView AI. They've recently integrated Sora 2 into their platform, and it's been a total game changer ever since. To get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you'll see an interface like this. Now let's create our first ad using it. To do that, click on the Try Video Agent option. This will take you to the main interface. The first thing you need to do here is upload your product image. It can be anything, just upload it. I'll upload this perfume image as an example. You can also add a reference video if you want, which I'll show you in a bit. Next, you can add a prompt if you want. I'll write mine here, then choose the aspect ratio from this section and hit generate. Now the TopView agent will start analyzing your image and prompt and begin planning everything for you. As you can see, it might ask for some additional details about the ad, just review them and confirm. After that, it will automatically create the base idea, draft the scenes, and even generate detailed scene-by-scene prompts all by itself. You just have to sit back and relax. Now here you can see it has created a detailed scene-by-scene prompt for the video, and it's very detailed. Honestly, I would have never been able to write such a professional and well-structured prompt myself. So after reviewing the prompt, you can simply confirm everything, and it will move straight to the video generation process. And here's the final output. As you can see, it has generated the video, so let's play it and see how good it looks.
Born of the wild, sharpened by the sun. A trail of freshness cut with rugged woods. For the man who goes his own way. Sauvage, the new eau de parfum, Dior.
Wow, that was fantastic. It literally looks like a real ad from Dior or something. It looks so premium. The way it added the cut scenes is just too good. Now imagine if you had a perfume brand and created an ad like this. Like, it would instantly give your customers a premium feel and could drastically increase your sales. And let's try one more. This time, I'll upload this image, then give it a prompt like this and hit generate. Once again, I'll confirm everything and let the agent do its magic. And here's the output.
These are my go-to sneakers. Clean, classic, and breathable. Comfy for workouts and daily. Style that keeps up.
Wow, this video is also outstanding. You see how easy that was, right? The video doesn't feel like a typical, overly processed AI video. It looks so real and natural. I'm telling you guys, with Sora 2, you can truly create wonders. You just need to be a little creative, that's all. Let's try one more type. This time, let's go for a very realistic UGC-style video. So I'll upload this product image, then give it this prompt, hit generate, and let it do its thing. Here's the output.
Okay, I'm trying out this red lipstick and it already looks so pretty in the tube. It just glides on, super smooth, super glossy. Look at that shine. I love this color. Had my coffee and it's still on, long lasting.
That was super realistic, right? It felt very up close and personal, just like an influencer video on TikTok or something. It's really impressive and honestly, a bit scary how powerful AI has become. And the craziest part, this technology is only going to get better with each passing day. And finally, let me show you guys how you can even give it a reference video, and it will create a new video using your product while matching the style of your reference. It's honestly too good. So let's upload this product image, and I'll also add my reference video here. Next, you can give it a custom prompt if you want, or just leave it as it is. Then hit generate and let the AI do its magic. It will analyze both the input image and the reference video to create the final masterpiece. And here's the output.
Unleash the citrus charge. Cold, bold, electric. Crack it. Mountain Dew. Unique citrus. Do the dew.
Now this is what I'm talking about. It perfectly analyzed the input video and created my version beautifully. I'm really impressed with this. If you're not sure what kind of video to make for your product, this feature is a game changer. Just upload your product image and a reference video. It'll take care of the rest. Here's a side-by-side comparison. As you can see, the concept and scenes are almost identical, but the product has been swapped. Really nice feature here. So there you have it, folks. Now you can easily create awesome UGC-style or premium-style product videos using Sora 2 on TopView AI completely without any watermarks. You should definitely give this a try and take your business to the next level. I'll put the link in the description. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.